Hello, this is a demo of a little change to the storage page. It will probably come as part of the change to the port to Patternfly 6, but it's about navigation. These tables that Cockpit Storage has, they used to work so that you can hover over each row and it will get a background change. And then if you click anywhere here except in the on the kebab here, then you will navigate. This hovering that didn't look so good with Patternfly 6 anymore, and also I think it's not a good user experience. And we had to implement it in a hackish way so that we can have both a drop down and the table row click handling. So whatever, long story short, now I think we should change it so to the standard pattern that the first column is the navigation column. So if you want to see the details of the SDA disk here, you have to go here and click, and then you go to this page and you can go back, of course. Or this one has a couple of partitions, and if you want to go to the partition, you have to click on the first part here. So unfortunately, it doesn't look like a link completely for styling reasons that I haven't figured out. Yeah, but what this also does is we can put other actions somewhere. And I think that's the real improvement here, is that the location can now be a link. And typical example is this is a physical volume for my main logical volume. And we can not only give you the name here, but it's now directly a link. Previously, you would have to navigate to this physical volume. Then you figure out, the volume group is Fedora. So we can click here and then you're in the volume group. And then you go to the root logical volume, for example. But now I think it's quite obvious. We should have done that a long time ago. You can just go and click here on this, and then you go from the overview directly to the volume group that this block device is a physical volume of. Same for other things like ButterFS. Here's a multi-device ButterFS, and you can just click here and you go to this volume. So it's quite nice. I think we could go further. For example, make the mount points here also clickable, and then they would go to our new file browser here. I haven't done that yet, but I think it's pretty straightforward. Okay, thanks a lot.